Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Surendra Kumar Sharma, lecturer in English, Government Senior Secondary School, Kairu. I am going to discuss the noun numbers. There are two numbers in noun case of nouns. The first one is singular number. Second one is plural number, जिसे हम हिंदी में एकवचन और बहुवचन के नाम से भी जानते हैं. What is singular and what is plural and what is the difference between them? It is very important to know about the noun if it is singular or plural, because we have to fill in the verb after the noun. If it is singular, then we will fill singular verb, and in case of plural noun, we will use plural noun. In case of subject-verb agreement, because in sentences, nouns become subjects, and we have to use verbs for those subjects agreeing with the subject. So, here, what does singular means? Singular stands for one person, one thing, or one place. For example, this is a pen. This is singular, but these are pens. This is plural. So there is a lot of difference between a singular noun and a plural noun. We use singular verb for singular nouns and plural verb for plural nouns. इसके लिए आवश्यक है कि हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल का कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ लें और किस प्रकार से हम सिंगुलर नाउन्स को प्लूरल में चेंज कर सकते हैं, प्लूरल को सिंगुलर में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सिंगुलर स्टैंड्स फॉर वन पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय, बुक. बॉय मीन्स वन बॉय, बुक मीन्स वन बुक. वी कैन से अ बॉय, अ बुक. प्लूरल, प्लूरल स्टैंड्स फॉर मोर देन वन और मैनी पर्सन्स, प्लेसेस और थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पेन्स, books, villages, cities. Boy, boys. Book, books. City, cities. Light, lights. Mat, mats. Student, students. In the same way, there is a chart in front of you how to change singular nouns into plural nouns. We have to understand the rules. There are some rules. यद्यपि रूल्स हमारे बाद में आए हैं, पहले लैंग्वेज आई है. लैंग्वेज से ही जिस प्रकार से लैंग्वेज का डेवलपमेंट हुआ और लैंग्वेज बोली गई, उससे हमने कुछ रूल्स को फेच कर लिया, और ताकि उनको बोलने में, उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो और उनको हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के रूप से डिवाइड कर सकें. तो व्हाट आर द रूल्स? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चार्ट. द फर्स्ट वन इज by adding s. We make plurals by adding s to singular nouns. We make plural by adding es as a suffix to singular nouns. By removing y and adding ies to the singular nouns, and by adding ves to the singular nouns. Where do we add s? Where do we add es? Where do we remove y and add ies, and where do we add ves? We have to understand these four basic rules to make plurals. The first one is, most of the nouns are made plural by adding just an s to the singular noun. For example, car, book. If we add s to car, it becomes plural. If we add just an s to book, it becomes books. There are so many words. Go through the exercise where these words are given and have a practice of making singular plural nouns. The next one is, where do we add s? We add s if a noun ends with o preceded by a vowel. अर्थात अगर किसी नाउन की लास्ट में ओ हो और इस ओ से पहले वाला जो लेटर है वो वोवल लेटर हो, तो हम केवल एस ऐड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रेडियो. यहाँ पर लास्ट में ओ है, preceded by I, which is a vowel. For example, we shall add only S. Radio, radios. Video, it ends in O and there is a vowel E preceded by O. So we add only S to it to make it plural. Radios, videos. There are so many other words to have a practice. Next is, if a word ends in Y and each Y is preceded by a vowel, then add only S to the singular noun and we will get a plural one. For example, toy. This word ends in Y and it is preceded by O, which is a vowel. So add only S to toy to make it plural, toys. D-A-Y, day, Y, preceded by a vowel A, so days. In the same way, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. It ends in Y and preceded by a vowel sound, a vowel E. So put an S, add an S to make it plural, monkeys. Here I will discuss two more words, story, S-T-O-R-Y and S-T-O-R-E-Y. This story means tale, कहानी जो हम सुनाते हैं. But here Y is preceded by R, which is a consonant, not a vowel. But in case of story, S-T-O-R-E-Y, Y is preceded by a vowel that is E, so we add only S to make plural, stories. These stories mean stories of a building. There is a multi-story building. There are so many multi-story buildings in Gurugram. There are 3 stories in my home. In the building of my house. There are 3 stories. There are 5 stories in the building of my office. Next is, where do we add ES? This was about S. Most of the nouns are made plural by adding just only S. All the nouns ending in O but preceded by vowel is S. Put S and add S when noun ends in Y preceded by a vowel. Toy, day, monkey, story, etc. And in case of nouns, where do we add ES? How do we add ES to make plurals? All the nouns ending in CH, SH, double S, X or Z. Try to understand, all the nouns ending in CH, SH, SS, X and Z, we add ES to make them plural. For example, church. There is a word church, it ends in CH, so add ES to make it plural, churches. Next, box, it ends in X, add ES to make it plural, boxes. Brush, it ends in CH, add ES to make it plural, brushes. There are so many examples having this last sounds cha, sha, sa, ksha, and za. Add ES to them, to the singulars, to make them plurals. Next is, all the nouns except a few. All the nouns except a few ending in O and preceded by a consonant, add ES to make them plural. For example, potato. It is ending in O preceded by a consonant sound, so add ES, potatoes. Tomato. Ending in O preceded by a consonant sound T, add ES. We can make plurals of potato, tomato, all the nouns ending in O preceded by a consonant, add ES to make them plural. But there are some exceptions. For example, photo. Never it is ending in O preceded by a consonant, but never add es to photo to make it plural. Just add s. Photos, pianos. Take these examples, exceptional examples in your mind while making plural of the nouns ending in o preceded by a consonant. The next is when do we add ies to the singulars to make them plurals? There is only one rule. If a noun ends in y and it is preceded by a consonant, for example, lady, it ends in y and there is d which is a consonant. Baby, y and there is a consonant b. These are consonant sounds before b. Then remove y and add ies to make them plural. For example, ladies, babies, cities. There are so many examples. This is just opposite to this rule. If y is preceded by a vowel, then just add an s to make it plural. If y is preceded by a consonant, then add ies after the removal of last y. We can make them plural like this. Then the last example is where do we add ves? All the nouns ending in either f or fe except a few. There are some exceptional cases. Take consideration of these exceptional cases while making plurals. But when do we add ves? All the nouns ending in f or fe, we remove f or fe and add ves. For example, wife, wi, remove this fe, ves, wives, plural. Thief, now remove this f and add ves, it will become thieves, more thieves. Thief, one thief. This is how do we make plurals of the nouns ending in f or fe. But there are some exceptions. For example, roof, roofs, gulf, gulfs, cliff, cliffs. And there are some more examples. For example, chief, chiefs, like this. But so many examples. For example, leaf, lives, elf, elves, knife, knives, half, halves, life, lives, wife, wives, thief, thieves. So many examples are there. In this way, we make plurals from singular nouns by adding s, by adding es, by adding ies after removal of y, and by adding ves to different nouns as per the rules given in this table. There is one more rule where we change the word completely. We have a different word for plural. For example, we shall take these examples in the later video. There are some more examples. How do we change some singular nouns to plural nouns? We have learnt so many examples by adding s, es, ies or ves. But here, in some examples, we change the vowel completely. For example, man. Here, this is a single syllable word, man. We change this a into e, men. We don't add s to these, don't add es to these. We will change the vowel to make them plural. Man, men. In the same way, woman, women. We will change this vowel a to e to make it plural. Foot, this oo or double o is changed into double e. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Double o is changed into double e. Mouse. In this case, we change OU into I and S into C. Mice. Mouse, mice, and woman, women. Once again, man, men, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, woman, women, louse, lice, and so many other examples are there. Go through this exercise completely and try to understand how to change them into plurals. Now, there are a few words which have neither singular nor plural. They have same form in singular and plural both. We can't add them s to them, es to them, or is to make them plural. They have both the same forms. They have same form in both cases, either singular or plural. For example, deer. Don't say deers. Deer. One deer, more deer, but deer. Fish. Sheep. Dozen. Thousand. These are a few words which have the same form in both the cases, singular or plural. We will never say, I bought 3 dozens bananas. I will say, I bought 3 dozen bananas, not dozens. Thousand. I have 5,000 rupees, not 5,000 rupees. Never add s to them to make them plural.